right, I've had a successful test fit of this engine on here. There's my spacers to move this a little further from the back wheel. Here's my customized mount here. It's just two regular mount plates welded together. This is a little bit wonky. I need to figure something out here. On this side, this tab, there's not a whole lot of clearance between this tab and this radius. And also, I'm just about out of threads there. This is really tight, but there's just this gap here. I might have to like cut some washers in half. I don't know. I might need a different U-bolt. Cross that bridge later. At least I know that it'll fit. This side you can see is a lot flatter. The nut will sit perfectly flat. The shape is not 100% symmetrical. I just threw the muffler on real quick without the lock washers just to see that that fits. There's a very little clearance, but it's right up against that tube. With the 17 tooth sprocket on here, there's clearance. There's not a lot. It's probably 1/4 inch, 5/16, something like that. That's going to be okay. I definitely am going to need an extension for an extended manifold for my carburetor. Obviously a carburetor ain't going to fit in there. And yeah, so that was a big hurdle, getting to this point where I can see that it's going to fit. I had to. One of the ways I solved the problem I was having was there's two sets of holes here. The upper holes were for this U-bolt. The lower holes were wider apart, so I just ground it out. I just ground out the lower set of holes because previously I couldn't get this clamp on. It was way too, it was just, there was no way. So by grinding out those holes, I was able to lower this clamp. My next step will be measuring out my chain for the 10 tooth sprocket here. Once I do that, then it all comes apart. These parts get repainted and we press on from there. But I'll tell you, I was not sure that I was ever going to get to this stage. It has not been easy. All right, press on from here. I'm going to take it for a little ride, pedal around just the way it is. I'll tell you, bringing it down the steps was different with the weight of that motor on there. Going back up ain't going to be any more fun, but all right, that's it for now.